In this tutorial we're going to take a look at a feature which enables us to create an extra charge and split it across multiple tenants in an unequal fashion based on some sort of allocation that we choose. Now this is quite commonly done with commercial properties where you have operating expenses and you need to split that across multiple tenants, but each tenant gets a different portion of the expense based on some sort of criteria. For example, it could be the square footage or square meters or square feet that tenant might occupy. So to do this, first of all, I've got 3 tenants set up, tenant 1, 2 and 3. So I'm going to choose tenant 1, and I go to extra charges and I choose what share of the allocation do they get. Like, in other words, how many square meters or square feet or whatever allocation we choose. So I'm going to say this person has 1,000. And for tenant 2, I'm going to say this person has 2,000. That could be square feet, square meters or something. And tenant 3, I'm just going to leave this one as 0. Now I go to the extra charges menu option and I choose to add a new extra charge. And down here I choose this option here to split based on allocation. At the moment I've got 3 tenants listed, but if I choose the allocation option, it removes all tenants that don't have an allocation. So only tenant 1 and tenant 2 are left in the list. I then enter the amount of the charge. Let's say it's going to be 3,000, and I choose which tenants that I want to get a share of this expense. So I'm going to choose tenant 1 and also tenant 2. And so what that does is it splits that based on 1/3 and 2/3. So if I change the amount, let's say 600, you'll see it's recalculated that. So this tenant here gets 1/3 and this tenant gets 2/3 based on their share of the allocation. And then all I got to do is just save it, and that creates those 2 extra charges based on their share of the allocation.